This is the Armorgard InstaGate. It requires just one person to operate. Choose the 4-foot or 6-foot height InstaGate to suit your location. Wheel brakes must be applied when in use. It's suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Use the built-in latch to hold the InstaGate closed. The round frame can take standard scaffold brackets. The linking kit should always be used to connect multiple InstaGates together. It should also be used when connecting at right angles or round corners. The anchor kit should always be used when fixing the InstaGate to a wall or fence. And that's our recommended operation of the Armorgard InstaGate. And remember, always use safely within site-specific conditions.